In SAP Predictive Analysis, there are two different ways to create a column based on a formula. If you want to create a column that will be treated as part of the dataset itself, you can create a calculated column within the Prepare workspace. In this example, we have a date column that holds dates in a standard format. We want to create a new column to display dates as numbers between 1 and 365. To do this, we first need to select the column on which we want to base the new calculated column. First, we'll enter a name for the new column. Next, we'll look for the appropriate function. Note that there are a range of functions suitable for working with strings, numbers, and dates. Now we'll specify the date dimension as the source of the date information in the calculated dimension. The dimension must be entered between the brackets in the formula. The new day of year column displays beside the date column. Now we'll delete the new column and go to the Predict workspace to use an alternative way of creating a column. In the Predict workspace, you can use the formula component in the data preparation list to create a column for use specifically within an analysis. Now we'll create a day of year column using the formula component. In the Formula dialog, you can create formulas using a combination of columns, date, string, mathematical, data manipulation, and conditional functions, and various operators. Note that formulas must always produce a value to insert in a new column. To create formulas specifying true or false conditions to restrict the data in an existing column, you can use the filter component instead. We'll begin by entering a name for the new column. Next, we'll create a formula to return dates as the day number of the year. Now we'll replace the placeholder between the brackets with the date column and then validate the formula. Now we'll run the analysis and check the results. The new column has been added at the far right of the data grid and is part of the analysis results rather than part of the dataset. You now know two different methods to create additional columns in SAP Predictive Analysis. For more SAP Business Intelligence tutorials, visit sap.com/learnbi.